So, we're over here across the road. We're gonna do a little food plot checkup. I got her in a couple weeks ago. Grandpa plotted it up and dissed it, and then I put some brassica, turnips, clover, and some chicory in it. So we'll do a little food plot checkup when we get over here to the food plot.